Hello, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. This has been your host, Buster Simpleman. And yes, welcome once again sa aking Ramadan fasting journey. So, guys, we are here now in our 15th day of my fasting journey. So, guys, we are already halfway through sa ating Ramadan journey, Ramadan fasting journey. So ayan, nakaka 15 days na po tayo. Kalahati na ng ating uh, 1 month journey para dito sa ating Ramadan fasting. So welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me. This is being your host, Master Simpleman. At welcome po dito sa aking vlog. So guys, umagang-umaga na naman. It's 5:15 a.m. in the morning, early in the morning. Ayan, nagbablog na tayo para sa ating journey. Papasok ako ng papasok ako ng work. Papunta ako ng Burjuman Metro Station para dun sumakay ng metro papuntang Business Bay. Yan, kung saan tayo nag-aabang ng ating company service. So guys, ganun pa rin naman everyday. But the thing is, today is March 15, 2025 and it's Saturday. Yes, last day of the week para sa ating working days. Yeah, last day na natin. At bukas ay day off. So guys, see you again sa aking tambayan doon sa Business Bay. So guys, thank you very much. This has been your host, Master Simon. Welcome to my day 15 of my Ramadan fasting journey. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Welcome once again. Ayan, nakarating na tayo dito sa Business Bay Metro Station. Dito sa may antayan ng bus. So ayan guys. At ngayon, aantayin lang natin yung ating service. So habang nag-aantay tayo, tingnan natin yung ating paligid. So ayan, so, may naglilinis doon. Ayan. Para masyadong taong nakaupo. So yes, same spot, same location. Dito po tayo sa tabi ng basurahan. So yan, ito yung ating location lagi, araw-araw, same spot, same position. So guys, ayan, ang ginagawa ko as usual, nagsusulat sa ating A Diary of My Life by Simple Man. So itong diary nito ay binigay ng aking company. Yan, bilang aming daily diary. So ginawa ko siyang diary ng aking buhay. Sinimulan ko siya from January 1, 2025. So itong diary nito is for 2025. So guys, wala naman masyadong nangyayari sa araw-araw. Ganun pa rin, pumapasok tayo. Tapos nagsusulat sa diary, nag-aantay ng service, pati doon sa labas. So almost the same lang din naman. Gusto ko lang talaga i-document yung bawat araw na nakapasting ako. So this one serves also as my attendance. So ibig sabihin present tayo araw-araw. So guys, welcome dito sa aking day 15 na ng aking Ramadan fasting journey. So we are now halfway through sa ating challenge, sa ating ginagawa. So hopefully matapos natin tong buong Ramadan fasting journey natin. So guys, thank you very much. This has been your host, Master Simon, and see you later sa aking opisina. So see you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Hello guys. Welcome once again. This has been your host, Master Simon, at welcome sa ating day 15 ng aking Ramadan fasting journey. So guys, ayan, nakarating na tayo sa aking office. Ayan, at medyo, ayan, inaantok-antok pa, pupugak-pugak dahil kulang pa sa tulog. So, bukas tayo babawi ng tulog. So, guys, hanggang dito na lang muna at mamaya ulit pag-uwi ko or mamaya pag nagpakain tayo ng ating mga pusa sa ating cat feeding program. So see you guys. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. Welcome to day 15 of my Ramadan fasting journey. See you guys. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome once again. Isang magandang umaga muli sa inyong lahat at narito na naman tayo. Siyempre, daily routine natin at daily activity natin araw-araw ang cat feeding program. So ayan guys, kumakain na yung ating mga pusa. Kararating lang din natin. At ngayon, may gusto akong ipakita sa inyo. Ngayon po ay fog season. Ayan. So, ma-fog dito sa ating sa ating area. Ayan, makikita mo naman yung fog. Oh. Ayun, sobrang ma-fog po ngayon dito sa ating area. Ayan, so ibig sabihin yan, magtatag-init na. So guys, ayun yung fog. Ayun oh, sobrang ma-fog. So ibig sabihin niya, magtatag-init na. So tara, bisitahin natin yung ating mga pusa sa ating cat feeding program. So guys, welcome dito sa aking channel at ito ang ating cat feeding program. So guys, yan yung ating cat feeding program. Pinapakain natin. And I would encourage everyone to do the same. Please do help stray cats, street cats, and even dogs. Any animals you can help, at least a little food, give them daily so that they can survive, especially now that the summer is coming. Please do, I am encouraging everyone to please do the same, guys. I hope this is not much of your time and not much of your money, so please, I am encouraging you to help them feed some cats. So guys, this has been your host, Master Simpleman, and welcome to my day 15 ng aking Ramadan fasting journey. See you guys. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Welcome once again. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. Welcome sa aking Day 15. Day 15 na po ng ating Ramadan fasting. Yes, welcome guys. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. Welcome ulit sa ating channel. Pauwi na tayo. 1 PM na at ready na ang ating service. Ayan, nag-aabang na siya. So guys, uuwi na tayo kasi 1 PM na. So, magpapahinga tayo pag uwi natin dahil ngayon ay Sabado, last day of the week at last working day na ngayong araw. So guys, see you again mamaya pag uwi ko galing ng Purjuman Metro Station. Sige guys, bye-bye. Thank you.